Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're working again with the Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is the February 2024 Sweet Springtime Kit. We are going to be making alternate number 5. Okay, this is just a reminder of what the kit looks like. These are the projects that were intended to be made. But we're going to be making an alternate, like I said. But before we get started on that, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our March Paper Pumpkin Kit, Memorable Meadows. That includes a free stamp set, makes 9 cards. Garden Green is the stamping spot. And if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can add the Love of Spring dies for $12. The item number is 164396. These dies do coordinate with January, February, and March's Paper Pumpkin Kit. Link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next, we have our mixed mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with my retired Stampin' Up! Products. Some are new, some are used. But I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included in that price. I can only sell and mail in the USA. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com, or you can visit my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com and click on the image of this flyer, okay? Lastly, we have our February host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more before shipping and tax. If it is more than $150, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And we don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. And during the month of February, we still have Sale-A-Bration going on. So you can earn free products with every $50 that you spend, okay? Let's go ahead and get started on our project. We have a card base here of basic white. Thick basic white, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to burnish down our score line. I have some pieces that I'm going to go ahead and layer together. So we have a piece of the card base from the Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is from the back of one of the cards, and it is measuring 2 7/8 by 4 1/4. So that would make this piece 3 by 4 3/8, and we're going to just put those two together. Okay, we have a little bit of stamping on this card, just a little bit. So let's see, put that on there. Okay, then we have another piece from the stamp, not the stamp set, but from the kit. And this one is 3 1/8 by 2 1/4. So that would make this 3 1/4 by 2 3/8. And this one, the measurements, is it 3 1/8? I don't think I did that. I think it's 3 3/16 by 2 3/8, because I am not putting a border on all 4 sides. I'm just doing it on 3 sides. Happy I remembered to tell you that, because the measurement would have been wrong. I'm trying to get it even to the edge. There we go. Okay, so we have that. Next, we are going to stamp. Let me close up my glue. Next, we're going to do some stamping in the Early Espresso. I am using a stamp from Always With Me. We're going to be using You Are My Greatest Gift. Okay, so I have some basic white here. We're going to just stamp this on here. Put it like in the middle. This is just a piece of scrap. Then I have the inside of our card base. It is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And we're going to stamp this flower from the Paper Pumpkin Kit. I was trying to decide which way I wanted to go. Okay. So that's all we're going to be stamping. So let me get some Stampin' Blends. I don't know why I can't think right now. So we're going to have the Daffodil Delight, and we're going to color in our flowers here. Again, I'm just doing a little sketchy coloring. We're going to get light crumb cake and do the middles of the flower. And then we're going to get light garden green for our stems and leaves. Okay. I hope I stamped that high enough because I forgot I need to add, I have a strip here of the card, one of the card bases, and it's about a 1/2 inch by 3 3/4. No, 3 1/2, Lordy. So, but it is about a 1/2 inch. Yeah, that's pretty good. I could have stamped it a little higher, but we'll take that. So let me see. I want to put this right on the edge here. Just like that. And of course, we're going to cut that down. And we're going to add this to a pecan pie of 3 3/4 by 5. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we have that. We're going to put this on the inside of our card. And I do need to stamp one more thing. Has nothing to really do with the decoration of the card. But I want to stamp on the back my personalized stamp so that I don't have to do it later. So we'll have that done. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I have some circles from the Deckled Circle dies. I'm going to be using number 2 and number 3. So with number 2, I'm going to cut out our sentiment. So let me put this on here how I want it. Get me some washi tape. Come on. Washi, washi. And then I'm going to have number 3, and I'm going to cut out a piece of the pecan pie. So let's get our mini Stampin' and Cutting Emboss machine out, the Baby Boss. And let's run these through. Okay, so I have that all done. Let's pop these out. Get my washi tape off the dies. Ooh. Put our dies to the side so we don't misplace them. Okay, so we're gonna add these two together with some liquid glue. Just like that. And now we can start putting this card together. Why do I put the glue up? I don't know, because I'm about to put the card together. Okay, so we're going to take our biggest piece here, and I'm going to add a little trim to it. This is a piece of the envelope from the Slimline card, and it is a 1/2 inch by 3 3/4. And I'm going to put a little glue along the edge here. And we are going to add this on here like so. Then we're going to add this to the card base. I put this little side piece on a lot of my cards that I've been designing because when I have these little bits left, I don't want to waste them. So I'm trying to use every little piece of the kit when I cut up these things. Okay, so I have that piece there. Then we're going to take this one and we're going to put it about right here, like this all the way to the edge of the card. Just like that. And then I think I'm going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to put some dimensionals. Oh man, I picked up two. Pop it on the back of our sentiment layer. And I have another piece from the kit, the bunny and the chick, and we're going to pop some dimensionals on the back of that. Okay. Now let's release these backings and get these on our card. So we're going to put the bunny right there. Ooh. And our sentiment is going to go right here. I want it overlapping. Trying to get that sentiment straight. Okay. And now we're going to add some bling. Now, what do I want to use? I have a couple of things that I can use for my bling. I have the opaque faceted gems, which is a Sale-A-Bration freebie with a $50 purchase. We have the loose daisy embellishments, or the pearls that came in the kit. I'm leaning towards these because of the pecan pie. Because there's a lot of white on here, so I don't want to use the pearls. Yeah, I think I'm going to use these. Let me get my Take Your Pick tool. And let's go ahead and use some of these petal pink ones. So I'm going to get let's put one here. And we can put two over here. Let's put one right in the middle of that flower there. Why not? Just like that. That is our card done. What do you think? Isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute. Real simple and cute. I love it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.